Today I am going to show in this video how to delete and rebuild search index on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to rebuild and delete search index on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to click on Start menu. Then type your indexing option. You can see here indexing option, just click on this. Below you can see here advanced option, you just need to click on this. You can see here troubleshooting, delete and rebuild index, just click on rebuild, then click on OK, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can delete and rebuild search index on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.